Here's a quick and easy one-pot soup recipe. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need 3 cans of black beans, shredded carrots, potatoes, celery sticks, onions, crushed tomatoes, 1 extra can of black beans, vegetable broth, red chili powder, cumin powder, black pepper and salt, garlic, and olive oil. In an immersion blender, add 1 can of black beans, followed by the crushed tomatoes. We are going to blend this mixture until it becomes a smooth paste. Now in a large pot, add your oil on medium heat. Once the oil is heated, add your chopped onions and saute it for a few minutes. Add your chopped garlic and cook for a few more seconds. Now add the chopped celery. Now add the chopped potatoes followed by shredded carrots and keep cooking for a few more seconds. The list of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now start adding your spices one by one: black pepper and salt, cumin powder, and red chili powder. Give it a good mix. Now add the 3 cans of beans. Give it a good mix and cook for a few more seconds. Now add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Mix everything well together. Now cover it with a lid and cook for 15 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. The soup has been cooking for 15 minutes. Give it a good mix one more time. Now we are going to add our bean and tomato mixture to the soup. This bean and tomato paste mixture makes the soup rich in flavor and thickens the consistency of the soup too at the same time. The soup has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Mix it one more time. Cover with lid and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Your soup is ready to be served. This is such a hearty soup recipe, perfect for those winter nights, packed with tons of flavor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.